Hello everyone and welcome back from break. I have a question for you. How many of you practice Master Dong's acupuncture? If so, type yes into the chat room. Okay, and how many of you have never heard of this style of acupuncture? Well, today I am going to show you a free resource that will catapult your practice to the next level, so pay attention. I want to introduce you to the core section of our website. When you go to eLotus.org, click on the Core tab at the top right corner. Core, which stands for Collection of Real Essentials, is a free eLotus TCM Learning Resource Center packed with knowledge to help support your growing practice. We currently have 282 Master Dong points and 435 traditional TCM points, with the addition of abdominal acupuncture, scalp acupuncture, auricular acupuncture, and herbal medicine on the horizon. We designed this platform especially for healers like you so that you have all the support you need to offer the best tools to your patients and clients. Dong's acupuncture is a popular style of acupuncture that is widely known for its immediate pain relief. Due to its high effectiveness and the scarcity of English information, we decided to start a project in 2015 to compile information on Dong's acupuncture and make it available to you for free. We started by researching and collecting information in Chinese, then translating, laying out the website, taking pictures, marking points, and so on. After 5 years, this project is nearly complete. Let me take you on a tour of the Master Dong's acupuncture section on eLotus Core. When you hover your mouse over Master Dong's acupuncture, a mega menu will appear. Here, you will see the About section where you can learn the history of Master Dong's acupuncture. Under Dong's distinctions, you can learn why and what makes this style of acupuncture special. Up next, we have in-depth details on approximately all 300 Dong points. Finally, on the last column, under Learn More, you can find CEU courses on Dong's acupuncture and free demo videos on how to find these points. We currently have demo videos in 6 languages, including English, Zhongwen, Espanol, Portuguese, Francais, and Deutsch. Let's go into details of each section so you can fully understand Dong's acupuncture and how you can utilize this free resource. Let's start with the About section. The overview page is the Master Dong's homepage. Here, you will find links to learn more about Master Dong and his famous work. Browse Dong points by zone, learn topics unique to Dong's acupuncture, watch videos on how to locate the most commonly used Dong points, which is available in 6 different languages, take top courses on Master Dong's acupuncture, discover experts on Master Dong's acupuncture, and learn how to excel in Master Dong's acupuncture with an eLotus certification. Next is our mission. We believe in the power of TCM and wish to see it flourish outside Chinese-speaking countries. Many of our peers who are just as passionate about TCM and contributed to this project are listed here along with the Chinese books that were referenced. The FAQ section is an interesting section. Since we didn't know Master Dong personally, we weren't able to conduct an interview with him to compile this portion. Dr. Chuan Min Wang, his direct disciple, is someone we do know. We have recorded and documented our conversations over several dinners and seminars on questions that you may also have, such as, how did Master Dong come up with all these points? What was it like studying with Master Dong? Did he needle unilaterally or bilaterally? What does he think of ashi versus distal needling? And so much more. You can find all the answers in this FAQ section. Make sure you read them to fine-tune your skills and learn great tips. It's the next best thing to studying with Master Dong in his clinic. Now let's return to the mega menu to learn what sets Master Dong's acupuncture apart from TCM points. We have Dao Ma, palm diagnosis, bloodletting, secret family points, and reaction areas. Please keep in mind that certain sections of these pages are only accessible to Gold Pass holders. You can sign up today to enjoy premium access to these sections as well as unlimited CEUs and access to English courses at eLotus.org. The Dao Ma is the most unique feature of Master Dong's acupuncture, in which typically 3 needles are used for a synergistic and powerful therapeutic effect. This section explains how and why it works so well. The palm diagnosis section. Did you know Master Dong would examine the palms of his patients as the first step of diagnosis? Here we've mapped out 3 palm maps and a guideline for you to learn color diagnosis, disease characteristics, finger and organ system correspondence, channel correspondence, and hand lines and physiological correspondence. Here in this section, you will know what blue veins mean on your palm. The bloodletting section. Master Dong would frequently use bloodletting in cases that were chronic, severe, or difficult. Learn the theory, how to bleed safely, and the specific zones and points on where to bleed on this page. The secret family points. This consists of the 72 severing points, which are his most popular and effective points, and the 32 relieving points. These are the points for food poisoning, drug poisoning, etc. The secret family points are exclusive for Gold Pass members. And lastly, for this overview, we have the reaction areas. This is another unique feature of Master Dong. Dong's acupuncture are organized into reaction areas, zones, channels, or what Master Dong referred to as nerves. Each reaction area reflects both the TCM and Western functions of the organs. For example, if the reaction area of a point is kidney, this indicates that the point can treat nephritis, the actual kidney organ dysfunction, as well as diarrhea caused by kidney deficiency, the TCM diagnosis. Alrighty, there's so much more that we want to share with you, but we have to get back to class now. We hope you find this tutorial on eLotus Core to be a valuable addition to your e-learning with our online CEU courses, and that it makes your clinic life a little easier. Please feel free to email me at info@elotus.org if you have any questions or comments. Hello everyone, and welcome back from break. Before we get started, there's still so much more to see on the Master Dong section on Core of our website. So let's continue with the tour. Let's start at the mega menu and let's take an in-depth look at a Master Dong point. On our website, did you know that Master Dong points begin with a T, then a double digit? T stands for Dong, and the double digit indicates the point on the body. It starts with 11 on the fingers, 22 the hands, 33 the forearm, and so on. For example, if the point is 77.15, we know that it's somewhere on the lower legs. To find the point, select 77 lower legs, which will display a list of all points on the lower legs. Since this is fairly self-explanatory, I'll take you to Browse All Dong Points to show you how to use the filter. You can search by typing the point name or number, selecting specific zones, or specifying location details such as whether or not it overlaps with the TCM point. Even though a point overlaps with the traditional point, Master Dong still gave it another name according to his own system. For instance, if I want to know all points located on the finger that does not overlap with the TCM point, I would select 11 and does not overlap the TCM point, and a list will generate like so. You can easily read the point location, and these symbols will tell you information on whether the point can be used in bloodletting, overlaps with the traditional acupuncture point, or is a rare Dong point that is part of the 72 severing points. Let's take a look at Zone 11, specifically 11.24 Fuca. So let's click on 11.24 Fuca. This is the famous point for all gynecological disorders. For each Dong point, you will see the point number, Chinese names in both traditional and simplified, and the English translation, which is helpful to learn what the pinyin and characters mean. There are also two pictures for this specific point where we show the point location as well as the angle of the needle insertion. Under the location section, you can further see details on specifically where these points are located, as well as the direction in which you should insert the needles. Then we have the indications of how to use this point. The applications, which includes the Master Dong reactionary areas, much like Dr. Tan's imaging idea. Also, we listed what channel this point is close to if you practice the balance method. Under protocol, we've listed supplementary points that can be added to achieve the Dao-Ma effect. Under techniques, you will see a video in which Dr. Chuan-Min Wang demonstrates how to needle this point. We have video demos for the top 100 most popular points, so check them out on our website here or visit our eLotus YouTube channel. Finally, you will see the last section, the remarks section, where you can learn clinical gems about this point from Dong's disciples. Read this section and save yourself some time to learn it yourself through trial and error in your own clinic. This is the Learn More section of the website, which gives you a great introduction to Tung's acupuncture and allows you to find his points easily. But if you would like to learn more on how to use these points, we have both CEU and free courses available with varying course levels, topics, and speakers. Let's now get back to the mega menu, and I can show you where you can start watching the videos for free. We have the most comprehensive video library on Master Tung in our profession. Speakers include Esther Su, Chuan Wong, Henry McCann, Brad Wisnat, Robert Chu, Susan Johnson, and more. Get to know them and see what courses they offer at eLotus.org. Lastly is our point location demo videos, where you can learn how to locate the most commonly used Tung points from Dr. Chuan Wong, a direct disciple of Master Tung. These videos are available in 6 different languages: English, Chinese, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and German. You can also find these videos on our YouTube channel for free under eLotus. Before I wrap up, I want to introduce this great function here in the top right-hand corner, our magic search bar. Here you can search for symptoms and find which Tung points to use. For example, let's type in insomnia and out comes these 3 points. Let's see. Let's try neck pain. And ta-da! Here are a bunch of points that can help with neck pain. You can always type in the chief complaint of your patient and then find the most suitable points. This concludes the tour of our Master Tung's acupuncture website. We hope you find eLotus Core to be a valuable addition to your e-learning with their online CEU courses, and that it makes your clinic life a little easier. Please feel free to email me at info@elotus.org if you have any questions or comments. Content is continuously being added to this section of our website, and we would really love to hear your feedback. Thank you, and let's return to class now.